Hi, my name is Siyabonga Ndlamlenze from Triple M South Africa. Today I'm going to talk about Triple M ideology. The main goal why Serge Maflot created this community is to fight the unfair financial system of the world where the rich becomes rich and the poor becomes poor. It aims to demolish the unfair world. By making Triple M, we can achieve financial freedom. What is Triple M? Triple M is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. It's a peer-to-peer system where participants transfer money from one member to another member's account directly to another member's account. Triple M is not a bank, it's not a company, it's not an investment, it's not an online business. In Triple M, there's no central account. Money is transferred directly to participants' bank's account. In Triple M, you don't need to have contracts or pledge of your property. There are no lenders and there are no debtors. Its idea is very simple. One participant asks for help and the other one provides help. The only thing that Triple M demands from its participant is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for assistance when you need it, and you provide financial assistance when you are able to do it. Long live Triple M, long live.